So this is how you register for the Paris Yiddish Center's online summer program. So if you're on the English version of the website, you go to the registration tab and click Register Zoom, and that will bring you to this site. You pick which module you want. So let's say you want module Zoom 03A. So put that in your cart. And then here you can add an additional gift to the Paris Yiddish Center, such as 5 extra euros, but we'll just click no extra gift. Then you go to the next step. Then you put in your name, and you can select that you will be paying for yourself, and put your email. And then you scroll down, there's the French version of the questions first, and then the English version of these questions, so you can answer these questions to just inform the center about how you heard about the program, about you, and then go to the next step. And then you can go to the next step if this is all correct. And then here it will automatically have you make a donation to this website, but I don't necessarily want to do that. So I'm going to click I do not want to give a gift to this website. So that makes it 0 euros. And then this is just the price of whatever class I signed up for. And then I accept the conditions. I go to pay. And it will take me to this place to pay. I click on what kind of credit card I have, and then I enter in my credit card information.